Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JVC earphones with your PC. So to do this, we have to open this charging case and remove left and the right earphone. You will hear the power on voice notification, and now you just have to grab them like that to see these indicators. Now just wait until they start blinking like that. Put it close to your PC and go to the settings. Of course, we have to navigate to the Bluetooth settings. So let's do this right now. Let's go for the Bluetooth and devices. Let's click to add device, select Bluetooth. And now we have to wait until they pops on the list. And here we can find the JVC HA-NP35T. So click on them once. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. That's all for this video, hope you like it.